Ezhong Ezy is the most precise and easiest to use series of 4 rolls plate rolling machines with total pre-bending. Highly technical and innovative to ensure high productivity and are faster than 3 rolls bending machines. Reliability structure and high precision 4 rolls easy system can realize fully automatic rolling when bending thin plate, including circular, elliptical, and square workpieces. Easy 4 rolls equipped with a rear side opposite feeding side. This roll allows plate to be rolled to be aligned in an immediate and accurate manner. Steel plate always remains clamped between 2 central rollers, thus avoiding accidental slippage. This not only optimizes pre-bending and rolling operations, but also ensures safer and more precise machining, enabling 1.5 times straighter edges. Easy 4 rolls allows plate to be rolled to desired diameter immediately after the first pre-bending, and followed by the second end forming, the second pre-bending. The processing method allows cylindrical fair roll to be made in one pass. In order to make it easier to feed plate into machine, equipped with a horizontal feeding roller table. Roller table can be moved laterally when rolling cone. It is convenient for efficient production. Easy 4R series, designed and built by Ezhong, are the best solution to bend plates of length between 1,500 and 18,000 millimeters with thickness 5 to 180 millimeters. Ezhong have manufactured 8,000-ton plate rolling machines with the largest pressing force in the world successfully. Ezhong will always be your reliable partner.